So today we're going to continue working with the pen tool and creating Bezier curves. Now Bezier curves are hard to get used to because we've never made them before, but with more practice we'll get more comfortable with how to utilize our mouse and how far we should pull these handles to have the most control. So today's second document has a little more practice from yesterday's. So we're still using our pen tool. Now what we should be is about this zoomed in. It gives us a lot of control. I have marked where your anchor points go in blue and where your handles should go in green to help you out. Remember, to draw a Bezier curve, you click and you drag. You have to hold down on your mouse or your trackpad. You release your handle when you're in the right location. And what this is doing is creating the next curve. Your handles influence how large your curve is going, as well as the direction the curve is going to. So, to continue, we're going to click on the next point and also drag and pull. We're going to continue this until we're done with this entire line. And then when we're done, we hit enter to end our line. Now we have a pretty good line. Let's say my line didn't look that good. I had a curve that was off. I can take my direct selection tool and move around these handles. This is all editable. So the same thing's going to happen for this one, except the directions of the handles are a little different. So we're going to take our pen tool again, and we're going to pull, click and pull. Do the same thing with the next one, except these handles are going the opposite direction. So it's going to create a nice little scalloped curve. And we'll continue this until we're done. Now part 3 is the same idea, except you're closing your shape. So we're just practicing making these really nice handles and Bezier curves. The last part here has to do with matching the shapes on the right to the shapes on the left with using your direct selection tool. So I would recommend moving it over. You can change the color of the stroke to make this more obvious that you're using a different shape. And then you're using your direct selection tool, but this time you're not only moving points, you're moving handles. So you might have to click on a point, and you see the handles pop up, and then I have to kind of move them around to match them up. So it takes a little precision work, a little patience, but we'll all get there. Be mindful that this shape matches exactly. So you might have to move a handle around, and there we go. Doing this for both these shapes, and then you are done with your additional practice on Bezier curves.